Experiencing eSIM problems with your T-Mobile iPhone? You're not alone. eSIMs, or embedded SIMs, are digital SIM cards that allow you to activate a cellular plan without a physical SIM. If your T-Mobile eSIM isn't working, you might see errors like no service, connectivity drops, or activation failures. First, understand the basics. An eSIM profile needs to be correctly downloaded and linked to your T-Mobile account. Start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your iPhone. Ensure you're on the latest iOS version. iOS 18.2 or newer is recommended for enhanced compatibility. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. These simple steps resolve many common issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try these advanced solutions. Reset your network settings through Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. This often fixes conflicts caused by software glitches or incorrect configurations. If you recently updated iOS, this is a crucial step. Next, ensure T-Mobile's network bands align with your iPhone, especially if you're in an area with weak coverage. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for manual activation or a carrier settings update. As a last resort, visit an Apple Genius Bar for hardware diagnostics. Remember, eSIM adoption is increasing, and while software updates improve reliability, some issues require expert intervention. By 2027, most iPhones will use eSIM only, emphasizing the need for robust troubleshooting skills.